Hi, this is Jenny Thomas, APAP's Director of Marketing and Communications, and I'm going to walk you through the steps of purchasing an APAPNYC showcase listing. Your showcase listing will appear on the mobile app, the online showcase listing database, and in the showcase listing guide. To be included in the printed guide, you must purchase and publish your showcase listing by Tuesday, November 25th at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Changes made after this time will be reflected only in the mobile app and online showcase listing database. Let's get started. From apapnyc.org, use the left-hand navigation and hover over your mouse over Showcases. From the drop-down menu, select Purchase a Showcase Listing. Log into the system using your same username and password that you used to register for the conference. You must be a fully registered conference attendee to access the online showcase listing system. It's important to remember that there are 4 major steps to creating a showcase listing. They are: add a showcase, add a performance, purchase your showcase listing, and publish your showcase listing. Let's first add a showcase. Once you have logged in and are at the My Showcases screen, click the Add a Showcase button. Fill out the information on that screen. The items marked with a P denote fields that will be included in the printed showcase listing guide. Fields with an asterisk are required fields. So I'm going to add my information. And I'm going to add my showcase title. You have a 400-character limit in the showcase description field. Next, you may add up to 5 artists per showcase listing that will be indexed and searchable in the online database. So I'm going to choose a couple of my artists. They will be searchable in the online database, in the mobile app, and indexed in the printed program and showcase listing guide. If you have artists that are in addition to the artists that are listed as they appear here, then you can add them into this field. If you like to make changes to the artists listed here that come from your artist roster on APAP 365, your primary contact of your account, the primary contact that manages your account, can make those changes for you. The artists that you add in this field will not be automatically added to your APAP 365 account. Next, you want to add any disciplines and genres that apply. You can add as many that apply, and they will be searchable. There we go. Very good. And once you've added all this information and you're ready to move on, make sure to click Save at the bottom, and it will save all the information as well as return you to the My Showcases page. Once you get back to the My Showcases page, you can see now that it has created the showcase I just added. However, we're going to want to add a performance, which is the next step. If you click the Add the Performance button, this will take you to a page where you can add the date, time, location, and other performance details. More than 200 common showcase venues are listed alphabetically in a drop-down menu. If you do not see your venue listed, you can select Other, and it will allow you to specify your venue name, and the address of the event. Make sure to include city, state, and zip code to enable the mobile app mapping. What that means is that within the mobile app, the people looking at your showcase listing will be able to map the address to their Google Maps. You'll also want to specify if tickets are required, whether or not they're available at your Expo Hall booth if you have an Expo Hall booth, and whether or not reservations are required. Again, you can click Save at the bottom of the page. This will save the information and return you to the My Showcases page. You can repeat this step multiple times, and it will list multiple performances tied to your original showcase. These multiple performances are included in the $70 listing fee. If you have a different showcase, you will have to add a new showcase, and that will be also a $70 fee. Now we are ready to purchase our listing. Click the blue Purchase button located at the very top of your listings. And here you must agree to the terms and conditions of purchasing before you can move on to the main purchasing screen. As a reminder, all showcase listing purchases are final and non-refundable. In order for a showcase listing to be included in the printing showcase listing book, you must add at least one performance to each showcase listing, and you must both purchase and publish each showcase listing by Tuesday, November 25th at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure to follow all 4 steps. All showcases published and purchased will appear online and in the APAP mobile app, regardless of when you publish them. The user is responsibility for the accuracy of information in your showcase listing. However, APAP does reserve the right to ensure the listings adhere to the stated style guidelines, such as no all caps. Showcases are independently produced and curated by you at the APAP membership. As such, APAP does not reserve space or manage logistics for your showcases. However, if you have questions, contact Judy Moore, Conference Manager, at 202-207-3858. Now I'm going to continue by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Right now, then I will select which showcase I am purchasing. If you had entered a number of showcase listings, you would check whichever ones you were ready to purchase. You can always come back and purchase additional showcase listings. You can also make changes, additions, and edits to your showcases or to the performance details. So simply follow the on-screen instructions to submit your payment. Once you've submitted your payment, make sure to print your receipt if you need it for your records. All showcase listing purchases are final and non-refundable. However, if you end up having to cancel that particular showcase, you can use the showcase listing for a different showcase. Just simply edit all the information such as title, description, artists, etc. After you've purchased your showcase listing and the information is final, don't forget to click the Publish button. This tells the system that the information is now public. Whether or not a showcase listing has been published or not, you can edit it at any time. Use the Edit button found to the right of any performance or showcase title on your My Showcases screen. So I'm going to publish it now. And if I wanted to unpublish, I could click here. Check Cats on Ice and save. Remember that the printed showcase listing guide will consist of all published listings as of 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 25th. Any changes or new showcases published after that time will only appear in the online showcase database and in the mobile app. They will not be reflected in the printed guide. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the APAP Showcase Listing System, please call our toll-free conference hotline at 1-888-717-2727 or email us at support@artspresenters.org. We're standing by and happy to speak with you. We look forward to seeing you in New York City this January.